Hello students, how are you? Hope everybody is safe in this pandemic situation. Today we are going to learn mathematics chapter number 2, which is angles. In this chapter we are going to learn about angles. Does anybody remember what have we learned in first chapter? Correct. We have learnt about basic concept of geometry, which are line, line segment and ray. Similarly, when two rays join, angle is formed. In our everyday life, we observe many objects which represent angles. For example, clock. In clock, there are three hands: hour, minute and seconds. When we need to see time, we see two different rays with a one common point. These are called angles. There are 7 types of angles. Let us see what those are. First, right angle. In a clock, the position obtained by hour and minute hand at exactly 9 o'clock and 3 o'clock is called a right angle. The angle between two rays is exactly 90 degrees. It is also called as 1/4 of revolution. Now straight angle. The angle corresponding to half of the revolution, which measures 180 degree, is called straight angle. Complete angle. The angle corresponding to complete revolution, which measures 360 degree, is called complete angle. Zero angle. Take two sticks and place them on each other. Here there is no change in the position of both the sticks. So the angle between these two sticks is called zero angles. Acute angle. The angle which is less than right angle but greater than zero angle is called as acute angle, which is also called as the angle which measures less than 90 degree but greater than 0 degree is called acute angle. Obtuse angle. The angle which is greater than right angle but less than straight angle is called as obtuse angle, which is also called as the angle which is measures greater than 90 degree but less than 180 degree is called as obtuse angle. Reflex angle. The angle which is greater than straight angle but less than complete angle is called as reflex angle, which is also called as the angle which measures greater than 180 degree but less than 360 degree is called as reflex angle. Do you understood? Look at the picture in this slide. Various types of angles are shown in this clock. First picture represents obtuse angle. Second and third picture represents right angles. Fourth picture represents acute angle. Fifth picture represents straight angle. And last picture represents reflex angle. We have homework for you. Open page number 6. Draw the pictures of clock, scissor and bird's beak as it is given in the textbook. Identify the type of angle and write down the names below each picture. Second question is complete the following table. Draw the table and write the name of the angle, vertex of angle and arms of the angle from this table. For example, name of angle, angle PYR. Vertex of angle is equal to point Y. Arms of angle, side YP and side YR. As it is, solve practice set 2 from page number 8 and complete that full table.